Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change your camera on Omegle. First things first, let's go on the video. And here on the video, if you want to change your camera, you can go ahead and go to settings of your browser. From here, you can go on to site settings. And from the site settings, you can see here camera on the permission area. And from here, you will have an option to change your camera. Or you can search it on the setting option, camera. And it's gonna direct you to the site settings, camera. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.